If you're watching this video, you'll already know that I have reviewed the Sony XM4s and the Sony XM5s. So there's only one thing left to do.
Let them fight.
Let's compare them. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So let's compare the XM4s to the XM5s and see if we have a clear winner. So first off, design. And I'll be truthfully honest, neither of these headphones look bad. They both look really good and they look premium. But if I had to pick one, I would pick the XM5s because I think they look pretty funky, to be fair. On to comfort. Now, these are both made of premium materials. The XM4s have a good weight to them. The XM5s are ridiculously light, like nearly to the point of, you think that they're maybe a cheap knockoff that they're so light. In terms of comfort for wearing them for a long extended period of time, I found personally the XM4s were the most comfortable. The leather ear cups and the leather headband I just found were a little bit softer, which made it easier to wear them for a long period of time. So XM4s will win that one. Let's talk cases. So the Sony XM4s fold up into their case and it's a good solid case. You have a pouch in there for your cables and accessories and bits and bobs. And there's a little sort of net thing here, which I've never actually used, to be honest. But it's a good, solid case and it protects your headphones pretty well. The XM5 case is a nice fabric design, which I'll be truthfully honest, I kind of like it. You open it up like that. Now these headphones don't fold up, however, but the cups go outwards and they just slide in like that, which is pretty nice. Inside, they have this little compartment, which I really like. They clearly stole that from the Bose 700s because they have a little pouch for your cables and such. And yeah, it's pretty good as well. However, it is a bit bigger and they have sort of put this feature into it that when there's nothing in it, it sort of compresses down to try and save space. But it's pretty big compared to the XM4 case. So my winner for that one is the XM4s. So on to sound quality. The sound quality of these headphones, I'll be truthfully honest, it's kind of similar. They have really good options for customizing your EQs and things like that there. Personally, I just like stuff out of the box because I'm not really a fiddler. But if you want to go in, customize your EQs, customize your bass, your trebles, your mids, you can do all that and you have great functionality with both sets of these headphones. So in terms of sound, can't really tell them apart. I'll give a point to each of them. Call quality. I am not sure if you would really use these for making calls, but if you're using these with a phone and you get a call, it's nice to be able to take a call, I suppose. My experiences personally, the XM4s were not great for calls whatsoever, but the XM5s, I have used and I have made calls and sent voice notes and things like that with them and they have been superb. So yeah, XM5s win that one for call quality. Battery life. So these are pretty much identical when it comes to battery life. 30 hours of playback time with noise cancellation turned on. About an extra 8 hours, so say 38 hours with noise cancellation turned off. Pretty standard stuff. USB-C charging for both of them. So yeah, point to both of them. And noise cancellation, the big one. Unless you've been living under a rock, you'll know that the XM4s have been wildly renowned for their noise cancellation. Like their noise cancellation is excellent, it really is. Cannot fault it whatsoever. Same goes for the XM5s. Noise cancellation is superb on these and dare I say it, they are an improvement over the XM4s. I'm not saying the XM4s are bad in any way, shape or form, but yeah, the XM5s would get the noise cancellation point there. So ambient sounds. Ambient sounds is then the opposite of noise cancellation. So if noise cancellation stops sound getting in, ambient sounds lets it in. So lets you hear what's going on around you. The ambient sounds in the XM4s aren't as great as the XM5s. XM5s have fine-tuned the noise cancellation and ambient sounds over the XM4s and it is noticeable. Especially with the ambient sounds. It just is better, it's clearer, and it's less complicated, if that makes sense. On the XM4s, there is a custom button, which allows you to do, custom settings and EQs and all that sort of stuff. I'll be honest, never really used it. On the XM5s, they changed that button to noise cancellation and ambient sounds on and off. perfect. So press the button, you'll turn noise cancellation on. Press the button, you'll turn ambient sounds on. XM5s. And the big one, the price. So the XM4s at the moment can be got on Amazon for around $225. That's pretty good. It's a pretty good price for a noise cancellation king headphone. And the XM5s are currently about $379. So you're talking roughly about 155 quid of a difference between them. So obviously the XM4s are going to get that point. Hard to argue with that price. So those are the scores of these two headphones. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. My conclusion, now if it was me personally, my money, and I was going out and buying them for what I do every day, I would find it very, very hard to look past the XM4s, to be honest. You're going to get fantastic sound quality, fantastic battery, and you're going to get one of the best noise cancellation headphones on the market, even still. Now, yeah, ambient sounds and call quality isn't the best, but it's 155 quid cheaper than these. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Massively appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. And yeah, I'm gonna go and I'll catch you in the next one.